Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Mac Mini from Apple from 2024 and I'm going to show you how can you easily speed up it. So to speed up your Mac Mini computer, you have to go to your Launchpad and then go to Other folder. Now you have to click on Activity Monitor. And here you have many processes that are in the background and you can just eliminate them and terminate them just by clicking on it and clicking X. If you delete and terminate any process that you don't use currently, your computer will be faster. Here you can see System, User, Idle and CPU load. Let me zoom in for you. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.